All right, guys, most of you are having fabulous conferences about your literacy narrative. What did you notice about these questions? What did you notice about these conferencing questions as opposed to maybe a rubric that you may use in your classroom?
Find out more about the child.
You find out more personal information about the child. What else? Are they very quickly a 1, 2, 3, or 4, or are they more open-ended? They're more open-ended, right? To help you, A, get more information about the child, because that is our focus with formative assessments, and B, it's to help you help your children think. We've had this talk many times, right? Now that we have all these new inquiry standards, we've really got to focus on helping children think. Right? We've got to focus on that. So these open-ended questions are meant to help your children think a little bit more than just, is there a comma here, or did he or she put in all the commas correctly, did he or she capitalize all the words? But these questions are meant to be a little bit more open-ended to help your students think more. I have extra copies of these. If you do want to use them in your classroom, I can email them to you if you'd like to edit them as well. Before we move on to our very modified version of literacy stations, I just want you to complete a very, very, very short exit slip for writing workshop, which is going to talk about ideas that you have for conferencing and how you can use conferencing for formative data. Remember, data-driven instruction, student-driven instruction. So how can you use conferencing for student-led instruction? So if you'll fill this out really quick, and I'll explain our very modified and adjusted version of literacy stations this month.
So you asked the student.
And if you want to do this in a group, I'm okay with that. If you want to do this as a group instead of doing it individually, that's all right.
So one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, just put all your names on it. Yeah. Again, I'm okay with one if you guys want to do it together. If you want to reflect on your own, I'm okay with that too.